Hello everyone, good morning. Let's open this. We bought this last weekend. Forgot to open it. So, ayan. So, forget. Pahirapan. Kasi kailangan ito. Oh. So, yeah. So this is the charger. Meron akong ganito sa Colgate. Hindi ko rin gusto masyadong ginagamit. So you put this like this. Para siyang wireless charger. Wala kasi siyang metal parts. So ganito lang. Okay. I'm gonna go try it. Pag nagustuhan ko to, I'll buy one for my son. Tsaka meron naman siya yung mumurahin nga lang. But it's okay. Yun kasi ano niya, yung talagang brush. Okay. I'll try this. Thank you. Bye-bye.